You know. So I'm getting I'm doing Vlogmas, right? I'm getting my eyebrows done for Megan because she's the only one that gets to touch them now.
Yes.
Because I learned my lesson, you know? You just don't go to anyone. You just don't go to a nail salon and get your eyebrows done.
No. Quality.
Quality.
One that hangs down here would be fine too. If it doesn't feel like it'd be blocking you too much.
We're trying to decide where to put my holder that I don't have for my phone.
I'm just annoyed that Georgia made a big old fuss about it and then they don't pull not a thing so
Or people are on their phones like this.
Yes.
Driving. I'm like, really? You're gonna kill me.
Easily, like just driving like that.
So I just got my eyebrows done. Now I can film in. Wow, we're black. Thank God I'm black. Black.
Thank God I'm black.
When should we get a matcha?
Should we get it?
How far is Botanical Gardens?
The Botanical Gardens are... See, I keep looking down and I'm nervous I'm putting makeup all over my white sweater, y'all.
We are on our way to the Botanical Gardens.
Woohoo!
To take cute pictures.
And to be cute, people.
Yeah.
Are we
It
cute?
actually feels nice to like...
It does.
I don't do this anymore at all. Like I never...
Get dressed
I feel
up.
like New Year's happened.
I think that's
That's
all we
all. Like I didn't even wear this much makeup, and it's not. I didn't even have a ton of makeup on, which is funny. I didn't wear this much makeup even for my birthday.
Yeah.
So I'm just like,
Ow.
it feels nice to feel pretty.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put mascara on tomorrow.
So it was funny because I wanted to tell you. I was like, I want to do something else next week too.
What do you want?
If you're down. I don't know.
I'm down.
I've never been.
Aaron's gonna be so jealous. He's like, you guys got great picture spots.
I've never been to the Botanical, or not Botanical. Why do I always keep saying the same things? I've never been to aquarium, but I also think it'd be too dark in there. But I was also thinking the Atlanta History Center would be fun.
I'd love
I've never been there.
I've never been to the Georgia Aquarium. I've only been to the Tennessee Aquarium.
Okay. So which one do we do? I kind of want to do the History Center.
Okay. We can do the aquarium the next weekend.
Okay. That sounds good.
Adventures with Summer and Zaina.
Where's our little animated selves that are like blinking and like... I love when those makeup artists have that. Like James Charles, you did your thing when he did that. I don't know if he actually started it. He might have, but that's the first time I've ever seen it was on his.
So I had saw the part 1 of when the Kardashians and Jenners were calling people, and then you sent me the part 2, I think.
Okay.
But I was like,
I didn't know there was a part 1.
Yeah, she posted it on her, or Kylie posted it on her TikTok.
Okay.
And when James was like, what did he say? Like, am I about to get sued? Am I in trouble?
Oh my gosh. Well, I didn't realize that picture, like, they looked angry. Like, I didn't realize that's how they look. Like, I'm sorry, but the Kardashians scare me more than the Jenner girls, for sure.
Oh, yeah, for sure. What are these people? Why are they all black?
Okay. Because they think Black Lives Matter. sit down.
I'm living. So pretty. I'm glad you got me out of the house. I really didn't want to be out of the house. Yesterday my mom was like, yeah. She was like, I go to Target sometimes.
Look up, cacao.
It's so cute here today. We're having fun. My legs are itching. Does anyone's legs itch in the cold? I heard it's a
Circulation.
yeah. I've got circulation issues. Send prayers. Comment praying below.
So this is something else that we will not get to experience tonight. There's Zaina. And we won't get to experience it because it's not nighttime. But it'll be beautiful with all these lights lit up.
Show that cute couple. Can you zoom in on that really cute couple?
Okay, so there's like a super cute
They're
couple.
like super trendy. I bet their outfit's like $80,000.
They're really cute. But also on top of that, they're just beautiful people.
Yeah.
But yeah, they probably thrifted everything. Or they do like garden sculptures. And there's like a whole thing about it. It's really cool. You look at it?
In Douglas County, they do, I'm sure it's like nothing compared to, but they do. Right. So we got very hungry. I could not finish vlogging, but there was enough. We're gonna go home, but my parents want to go to Ikea, so we're at Ikea. Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting to film an outro, so here I am. See you next one that I do.